Now we will solve the questions pertaining to the surface area of sphere. Now the first question before us is, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 centimeter. In this picture you can see that this is a sphere and this is the radius which has been given to us. So answer. Radius of sphere R is equal to 10.5 centimeter. This is given. You also know that the formula to calculate the surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Now we also understand that pi is a mathematical constant which is equal to 22/7. Now we will put in the relevant values. 4, next comes pi, 22/7. Now comes r square. R square means r is to be used 2 times. 10.5 into 10.5. 4 into 22/7 into 105/10 into 105/10, because we have removed this point. Now we can divide both these figures by 5. Now these two and these two are cut here with 4. Now you can use 7 to cut 21 by 3. 7 into 3 is 21. Now what is left is 22 into 3 into 21. Now 21 into 3 is 63. We will multiply it by 22. 268, 213, 1386. 1386 square centimeter. This is the answer. Surface area of sphere is 1386 square centimeter. Now the next question before us is, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 5.6 centimeter. This is the sphere and this is the radius. Now answer. What has been given to us is radius denoted by r is equal to 5.6 centimeter. You also know that what is the formula for calculation of surface area of sphere? It is 4 pi r square. You know that this is the sign of pi, which means 22/7. It is a mathematical constant. Now we put the value of pi, then we will put the value of r square. R square means 5.6 into 5.6. Now 4/22/7 into 56/10, 56/10. If we solve it, it will come 394.24 square centimeter. This is the answer. Now the third question before you is, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 14 centimeter. Now you can see here that this is a sphere, this is the radius 14 centimeter which has been given to us. Now what is given is radius, which is 14 centimeter. Now, what is the formula for calculation of surface area of sphere? Is 4 pi r square. Now we will put the relevant values. Pi 22 over 7, r square is 14 into 14. Now you will use it to calculate. Now we will multiply 2464 square centimeter. You can multiply this in any way. For the purpose of simplicity, we have multiplied 4 by 14 and 22 with 2. Now this is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.